So I have Stephen Jordan from Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania, which was about a 4 hour drive.
4 hour drive, yes.
Stephen came in on, he came in Thursday night, got his hotel, and we started the 3 day private detailing training class for the Details R certification program on Friday with our business and marketing training. So, what do you think of Friday? I mean, you were here for about 8 hours, took a lot of good notes,
Yeah.
got an A+ on your test.
Thank you, thank you. A lot of information that I think goes over people's head when they start in a business, or they may think, "Hey, yeah, I've figured things out." But that piece, I think, was the most critical out of the 3 days that I was here. Is just understanding the ins and outs of the behind the scenes of starting a business to creating the LLC to marketing. Just a lot of great information. Nick has 40 years of experience. I think adding little extra pieces to the day just meant a lot to me for that day.
Excellent. So, was Friday definitely is going to help you get your
100%.
business started on the right foot. So, Saturday was the contact wash, the engine cleaning, paint correction, polishing, and ceramic coating of the paint, the wheels, the glass, the trim. Do you think you learned a lot that day?
Yeah.
Better
Learned
than on YouTube, right?
yes, yes, a lot better than YouTube. There's more than just putting a little bit of ceramic coating on a car and saying, "Hey, you gotta prep it. You gotta get it ready." There's a lot of things that might come up, scratches, things that are not visible to the naked eye. But again, a lot of information that day that I was able to, just kind of now have the basics to what I need to figure it out.
Excellent. You did excellent. I mean, look at this vehicle. Look at this Subaru, how well it came out. Absolutely gorgeous. So,
Showroom ready.
showroom ready, man. So, Sunday, today, was the interior cleaning, detailing, and coating. What do you think of that? You used all the professional equipment, the extractor, the vapor steamer, the Tornador tools.
Yeah, that was actually
Okay.
my favorite two out of the whole weekend. Save a lot of time, but just to kind of learn the different systems and things that might come up again on the interior that you kind of have to figure out as you go. But having the option that you're learning all three gives you more flexibility into your business, and then just doing things the right way, right? The trainers did an amazing job. 2 days of just great knowledge. I like
Jason, Chris.
yeah, the one on one felt good. The being able to talk to someone not in a big setting.
So, you think this is obviously advantageous in having 5, 10, 15, 20
Agree.
students at a
Yes,
time?
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. It's like one on one training. You pretty much feel like you're answering all the questions on the real time things you're going through. You don't feel like you're cutting a group up. Like, hey, can I have a question. Everything was like just, hey, answer it as we go, and it felt
Trainers
very,
did a
very
good
good.
job, and so did you. Fantastic job. Headlight restoration you did today was outstanding. So, you are
Awesome
now
weekend.
Detail Czar certified, Stephen.
Thank you. Thank
Congratulations.
you a lot, team.
Thank you, brother.